Now that we have our 4 titles put together, we need to turn these into something nice and easy to use in our video. So we're going to export these as bitmaps. It means that we won't be able to make changes to them afterwards. So you need to be very certain that everything is really legible, or you'll have to come back to this Photoshop file, turn that one on, and then do exporting again after fixing whatever's wrong. So misspelled words are going to be a bit of a problem after this point. Check it very carefully. Let's just do these in an order of the intro, file, export. So we're not going to save as. We can use the quick export and use PNGs. We don't need the comments field. PNG is a high quality format. We're not using transparency, but it sure is helpful. And so PNG is the format that has the ability to show transparency. Let's export. First time you do it, you're going to need to navigate to your project folder. And so this is going to be a title, and it's the intro title. Let's do places. File, export. We'll do a quick export and do title. And this is places. Just going to turn on animals and file, export. Now if you wanted to export as a different format, you could export as. This is where the choice of format is, where if you wanted to have transparency, I can actually say I want a PNG with no transparency. It's basically the same thing as what we've been doing with quick export. When we export, I can recycle that if I really wanted to and just change that to animals. You don't have to type PNG because it's going to add it on there for you. I'll do food now and file, export, quick export as a PNG, and this time title, food. When you look in your project folder, bring that over here real quick, you will now see that you've got 3 plus 1. So a title for your intro, one for animals, food, and places. If we look at them by double clicking, we've got 3 graphics that we will use in our project. Just like the other pictures, they're going to introduce things for us, and you're going to turn those in.